but at the same time, I think a lot of people are still realistically thinking that mid-2021 is going to be the time when the majority of Americans actually have access to some sort of vaccination. Is that what you're seeing in your reporting as well?
It's a very good question, and it's the one that comes up all of the time, as I'm sure you can imagine. And that's sort of what we're hearing. You have the federal officials saying that they are confident that everyone who wants a vaccine will be able to get one by the end of the second quarter. And then you also have some states, I'm seeing summer of 2021, really the most common response, July sometime, just that general summer timeframe.
You recently worked on a story about vaccines on college campuses and the idea that they're coming actually too late to save spring semester. I think because a lot of young people are really far when it comes to being in line for the vaccination. What does that mean for fall of 2021? Does it mean that young people will be vaccinated by then?
I think it depends how everything shakes out. Of course, a lot of this is dependent upon how much supply we have available. So right now, we're getting all these numbers, and a lot of the estimates are contingent upon more vaccine candidates actually coming to fruition. But a lot of the basic framework is that we should be prioritizing the people who are most at risk of severe illness and most at risk of actually developing or of catching the virus. So that is why we're seeing healthcare workers at the front of the line. Long-term care residents, people who are over the age of 65, people who have pre-existing health conditions. And if you think about your college population, that's really they don't fit into that category. So we have to see exactly where college students will be placed. Generally, young people will probably be at the back of the line. There's a chance that there could be some wiggle room with, people who live in dorms being considered part of that congregate setting. So that might get them a little bit closer, but I have a pretty strong feeling that we will be seeing college students some of the last to be vaccinated.
Bloomberg's Angelica Levito in Illinois. Thanks for your time and for joining us on Quick Take today.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.